Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to apply for unemployment benefits in Texas. Before you begin, make sure you have your social security number, work history from the last 18 months, and any separation details from your employer. Visit the Texas Workforce Commission website for search here TWC and click the first link. After opening the website, click Apply for Unemployment Benefits. Scroll down and click Apply to Benefits. You can also contact their number, or the number will appear here on your display. Then you need to set user ID, password, then login. And that's it. Follow the prompts to complete your application. You will need to provide your personal and work details accurately. Once you apply, keep checking your TWC account for updates on your claim. Thanks for watching.